Here are the items that are included in your DIY daisy kit. The balloon pump is optional but recommended as it is required to inflate the 5-inch balloons. So the first thing that you want to do is inflate your balloons. So you just take the balloon, put it over the tip of the pump, and do 2 pumps. And then we're just going to take your balloon and let a little bit of air out so it has more of the round shape. And you will continue to inflate your balloons the same exact way until they are all filled up. So again, 2 pumps, just let out a little bit of air so they have more round shape. And tie it off. Now for the last yellow one, since this will be the center of the daisy, you'll want to only do about a half a pump and then release the air so it's about this size in comparison, and tie it off. Now to assemble the daisy, take 2 of your pairs, place them over top of each other like this, and twist them together a few times. So it should look like this. Then you'll take your 3rd pair with the yellow middle and place it over the side like this. And then take this top balloon and then just twist it around a few times. And you'll just pull one of the balloons up like that, and there you have your daisy. So one of the balloons will be in the back like this, and then to assemble it to a balloon garland or onto the wall, you can just use packing tape and tape it directly on.